Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your favorite destination for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're delving into the world of key nutrients for weight loss and uncovering the essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients that can support your journey to a healthier weight. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your nutrition, understanding the role of these nutrients is crucial for achieving sustainable weight loss and overall health. So, come on and join us as we explore the science-backed benefits, practical tips, and expert advice to help you harness the power of nutrition for weight loss success. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a leaner, healthier, and happier you. Before we dive into the specifics, let's first understand the massive importance of key nutrients in supporting weight loss. Here are the roles that all key nutrients play in weight loss. First, we have proteins. We have been talking a lot about them. Protein is an essential macronutrient for building and repairing tissues, maintaining muscle mass, and promoting satiety. A high-protein diet can help boost metabolism, reduce appetite, and support muscle growth, all of which are key factors when it comes to weight loss. Next, we have fibers. This is a complex carbohydrate that the body can't absorb. Fiber-rich foods such as fruits and vegetables are important for promoting feelings of fullness, regulating blood sugar levels, and supporting digestive health. Including plenty of fiber in your diet can help you feel satisfied with fewer calorie intake and promote healthy weight loss. Let's continue with healthy fats. These are another type of macronutrient, despite their calorie density. Healthy fats such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats are important for overall health and can support weight loss when consumed in an organized manner. These fats help keep you feeling full, stabilize blood sugar levels, and support hormone production. Lastly but not least, vitamins and minerals. Certain vitamins and minerals play a role in metabolism, energy production, and overall body health, all of which are important for your weight loss journey. These include vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, as well as minerals like magnesium, zinc, iron, and chromium. You can start by including foods that are rich in these vitamins and minerals, like citric fruits, eggs, cow or chicken liver, grass-fed, grass-finished cuts of meat, leafy greens, vegetables, and macadamia nuts, for example. Now that you know the key nutrients and also have the basic understanding of the role of key nutrients, let's explore how to incorporate them into your diet for maximum weight loss benefits. We present to you the ultimate Levitas' guide to key nutrients for weight loss. Let's start learning more about this. Key nutrient number 1, protein. Aim to include a source of high-quality lean protein in each meal. Good sources of protein include grass-fed, grass-finished meats, lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, organic tofu, tempeh, and grass-fed dairy products. Try to consume at least 20 grams of protein per meal to support satiety and muscle growth. You can go up to 40 to 50 grams of protein per meal or even more. Key nutrient number 2, fiber. Load up on fiber-rich foods such as flax seeds, leafy greens, low-sugar fruits, chia seeds, vegetables, and nuts. Aim to have at least 7 cups of organic, non-starchy vegetables each day and incorporate them into your meals always. Start your day with a fiber-rich breakfast, with foods like berries and nuts, chia seed and flaxseed, to kickstart your metabolism and keep you feeling full. Key nutrient number 3, healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, extra virgin olive oil, and fatty fish in your diet. These fats are not only nutritious but can also help keep you feeling satisfied, prevent cravings, and reduce excess weight. Be mindful and control your portion sizes, as fats are calorie-dense, and aim to incorporate them into balanced meals throughout the day. Key nutrient number 4, vitamins and minerals. Focus on eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods to ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Include plenty of berries, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet to cover your nutritional bases. Consider taking a multivitamin supplement that has vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin D, and the B vitamin complex to fill any gaps in your diet. You need to do this especially if you're following a restrictive eating plan, which is not what we would actually recommend for you to do. In addition to incorporating key nutrients into your diet, have yourself implementing the following practical tips to support your weight loss journey. Here are our Levitas' top 5 practical tips for weight loss success. Weight loss tip number 1, have a clear goal. Most people underestimate the power of goal creating. ignoring the fact that it is much easier to stay on track when you have a clearly defined objective. So take a little time to seriously ask yourself these questions. What would you like your weight to be? How would you like to see yourself when you look in the mirror? What are the main things that keep me from getting my goal? Define a definitive number and start working to achieve it. With these practical tips and some time, you certainly will be able to achieve it. Weight loss tip number 2, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support optimal metabolism. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day and hydrate before meals to help control appetite. Also, be mindful of the fact that electrolyte powders will help you put your hydration game to a higher level. Weight loss tip number 3, mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, slowing down during meals, and savoring each bite you get into your mouth. Avoid distractions such as screens or multitasking while eating, and focus on enjoying your food and listening to your body's signals, as well as sticking to your healthy food plan. You should aim for a high-protein food plan, with fiber, healthy fats, and no starchy carbohydrates. Weight loss tip number 4, regular exercise. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine to support weight loss and overall health. Aim for a mix of cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises to keep your body strong, fit, functional, and injury-free. Weight loss tip number 5, get adequate sleep. Prioritize sleep and aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. A great time to go to bed would be around 10 to 11 at night. If you do not get enough sleep, a nap at any time of the day could help you, but it will never compensate a bad night of sleep. Lack of sleep can produce disruption of hormones involved in hunger and appetite regulation, insulin resistance, elevation of blood cortisol levels leading to increased cravings, high levels of blood glucose, and weight gain. So work at getting your good quality sleep like you are being paid for it. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, by staying focused on key nutrients, adopting healthy eating habits, and incorporating practical tips into your lifestyle, you can support your weight loss goals and achieve long-term success. Remember to listen to your body, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. Every bit of weight you release is a good motive for celebration. But what happens if you fall off the wagon? First thing is to not worry. It just represents a stone in your path, so get up and keep it up. It is just a matter of time and practicing your discipline until you get to your weight goal. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss, health, and wellness content. Also, don't forget to leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with weight loss. We love hearing from you. We appreciate your support. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the Levitas' ultimate guide to key micro and macronutrients for weight loss. Together, we can absolutely empower each other to live our healthiest, happiest lives. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to support your weight loss journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.